Welcome to this training on FT8 Basic Turbine. The FT8 is an aeroderivative turbine, which is a modified Pratt Whitney JT8D aero turbine. The JT8D was fitted to the Boeing 737, 727, to name but a few. The turbine has a twin rotor, which is common on aircraft turbines. This design is costly to manufacture and maintain, but it gives more power per weight, which is paramount in aircraft design. The FT8 gas generator has 6 main bearings supporting the rotors, with an additional bearing mounted between the shafts to help maintain the spacing between them. This bearing is called number 4.5 bearing. As stated, there are 2 rotors on the FT8, the low pressure and the high pressure rotor. The shaft of the low pressure passes through the hollow high pressure rotor and rotates completely independently of each other. Typical speed when on full load for the LP rotor is above 7,000 RPM. And for the HP rotor, you can expect to see speeds in excess of 11,000 RPM. At the inlet to the turbine, there are 3 stages of variable, non-rotating stators. The first stage is called the inlet guide vane, and the second and third are called variable stator vanes. All 3 do the exact same job. They just are named this way. Here we have a photo of the 3 stages of variable vanes. The air intake is this end and is where the air for the turbine enters. There are 2 actuators controlling the vane angles. The one nearest the air intake is called the inlet guide vane, and it controls just the IGV stage. The actuator extends and contracts to move the actuating ring around the turbine, causing all the individual guide vane blades to change their angle by the same amount. The second actuator controls the second and third variable vane at the same time. They are individual control rods attached to the synchronizing rings, which change the angle of the variable vanes.